Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x as a positive real number, and we have x power 5 minus x cubed plus x equals 2. Show that x power 6 greater than or equal 3 and less than or equal 4. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics. Then complete the video. We know that x power 5 minus x cubed plus x equals 2. Now we multiply this equality by the number x plus 1 divided by x. So we got x plus 1 divided by x times x power 5 minus x cubed plus x equals x plus 1 divided by x times 2. Therefore, x power 6 minus x power 4 plus x square plus x power 4 minus x square plus 1 equals 2 times x plus 1 divided by x. And therefore x power 6 plus 1 equals 2 times x plus 1 divided by x. We call this inequality 1. And we know that square root of x minus 1 divided by square root of x all square greater than or equal 0. Therefore, square root of x all square plus 1 divided by square root of x all square minus 2 times square root of x times 1 divided by square root of x greater than or equal 0. Now we simplify the numbers square root of x, so we got x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 greater than or equal 0, and therefore x plus 1 divided by x greater than or equal 2. Now we multiply this inequality by the number 2, so we got 2 times x plus 1 divided by x greater than or equal 2 times 2. Therefore, 2 times x plus 1 divided by x greater than or equal 4. From 1, we conclude that x power 6 plus 1 greater than or equal 4. So, x power 6 greater than or equal 4 minus 1. Therefore, x power 6 greater than or equal 3. We call this inequality 2. And we know that x power 5 minus x cubed plus x equals 2. So x power 5 plus x equals 2 plus x cubed. Now we multiply this equality by the number 1 divided by x cubed. So we got 1 divided by x cubed times x power 5 plus x equals 1 divided by x cubed times 2 plus x cubed. Therefore, x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equals 2 divided by x cubed plus 1. We call this inequality 3. And we know that x minus 1 divided by x all squared greater than or equal 0. So x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2 times 1 divided by x times x greater than or equal 0. Now we simplify the number x. So we got x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2 greater than or equal 0. And therefore x squared plus 1 divided by x squared greater than or equal 2. From 3, we conclude that 2 divided by x cubed plus 1 greater than or equals 2. Therefore, 2 divided by x cubed greater than or equal 2 minus 1. And therefore, 2 divided by x cubed greater than or equal 1. Now we multiply this inequality by the number x cubed. So we got x cubed times 2 divided by x cubed greater than or equal x cubed times 1. Therefore, 2 greater than or equal x cubed. Now we add the square to both sides of the equality. So we got 2 all square greater than or equal x cubed all square. Therefore, 4 greater than or equal x power 6. From 2, we conclude that x power 6 greater than or equal 3 and less than or equal 4. So this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.